In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay in-store at Target. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm doing this process on the official Afterpay website on a web browser on my computer, but you can also do this on your phone, same through a web browser or just through the official app. Regardless of which option you pick, simply look for Target at the search bar and you should be able to immediately recognize Target as the official in-store app. After you search for Target, you should see this official Target store. Simply click the in-store icon at the top left corner of the image. So don't click the title, click the in-store button, and you will be immediately redirected to the in-store option where you can get directions to all stores near your region. Regardless of which one you pick, you will be able to use Afterpay for any of these listed applied stores. You can visit the website, however, most of the time it just refers to this page that's not working for some reason. So as long as you are verified and you have an approved Afterpay card, you will be able to use Afterpay on any of these Target stores. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay in-store at Target. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.